Good morning, everyone. My name is Igor Avitisov. I am creative director at Sender. This is Maria and Christina. They're from FinovateFall, the largest bank in Eastern Europe and our first corporate customer. Today, they should be my cheerleaders team, I think. So let's start. It's not a secret that MasterCard has only one product. It's credit card. It's sold by more than 25,000 banks. But MasterCard doesn't provide online banking together with the card. So each bank needs to reinvent the wheel and create its own online bank. 25,000 reinvented wheels. That's the hell. That's why banks hired more than 3 million IT employees. Each online bank has its own design. Sometimes attractive, beautiful, but even convenient, but very, very different. Users' brain must constantly learn and switch between different structure of user interfaces. At the same time, billions of people communicate through one single and simple interface called chat. Why business wouldn't do the same? So, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce Sender. That's how smartphone screen should look like. Only Sender and maybe Flappy Bird, if you want it. Where are all other applications? They moved into the Sender's contact list, and now we can communicate with them using a simple chat. So please, Christina, show us how your customer communicates.
This is the Sender contact list where you can see not only your friends' contact, but the businesses as well. And the private bank contact is in this list. So let's type on its logo and start chat with the bank as usual. And let's try to do some simple operation, for example, mobile phone top-up. To do that, just enter top-up into the console, submit the simple form in one click, and it's done. Your mobile phone is refilled, and notice that there is no operator involved into this chat. It was a robot. And one more example. Yegor, do you remember that you owe me $50?
Oh, what for?
I'm not vindictive, but I remember that I paid for your dinner last year. So today is your payday. Let's choose Yegor from the contact list. Yes, it's a bad boy. Let's start chat with him as usual and enter button receive money. So $50 from Yegor. The description is payday. So, Yegor, you move?
Okay. I receive an invoice in chat, and all I need to do is to enter my secret code. It's 488. Okay. And it's done.
So I'll get the confirmations and my card is credited right in my chat. And it's absolutely free for the bank. Just to compare, last year we spent more than $10 million for SMS with account balances.
Sender allows us not to spend time for developing and design, but concentrate on product and communication. Masha, please show us how Private Bank saved developers' time.
Sure. Earlier, to implement a new product in Private Bank, we needed a team of developers, designers, and a lot of time. Now, I, the project manager, can cope with this task in Private Bank just by myself. And I would like to show you how to work with Sender. I will create a saving account robot for Private Bank.
Yeah, let's name the robot saving account and let's enter some keywords. Let's say saving and deposit. Press next and let's specify some input form which customer will need to submit using the robot. Let's enter the money transfer API, the name of the form, and let's add some couple of fields which customer will need to submit as for deposit account. For example, amount of deposit and some radio buttons, a couple of radio buttons as for deposit terms. Let's say it will be 1 month and 6 months. Actually, that's it. We just need to save this robot and Yegor, would you please be so kind to open the saving account with Private Bank?
Sure. All I need to do is to type saving in chat, in another chat, saving and enter saving amount. It's $50 for 6 months, and it's done. Now I have saving account in Private Bank.
See, Robot Builder and Sender will help you to save money and time on developing. Moreover, such business processes can be created not only by me, but also by Christina, even with her MBA.
Thank you, Maria. Always so nice to me. As a conclusion, why the Sender is very important for us as a bank. The number of applications is constantly growing. The application design is getting more glamorous but complicated, and Sender will change this. Instead of millions of designs, the simple communication via chat. Instead of millions of software developers, the simple creation of business processes. The Sender is not just about Messenger itself. In its new philosophy, it's a platform. You don't need, as a bank, to build your own online banking anymore. Instead, you can build any robots to sell your goods and services directly via chat console. Any company can create a merchant account for free and get access to Sender, the open, universal environment for communication, selling, and payments.
So, this is Sender. This is our new philosophy. One between millions. Thank you for your attention, and we're waiting you on our booth.
And since we have some time left, so maybe let's dance at the morning.
Return to sender.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me invite you to our booth, talking about business with these beautiful young ladies and these gentlemen. So, thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
He brought my